Hey, financial forecaster group, welcome back to the channel. You ready to make some money? I'm ready to make some money. And welcome back, my financial forecasters. So glad to have you back today. We're getting going on this channel, and we're gonna keep pumping out content for you guys because I have been getting so much support, so many messages, so many comments on each video. And if I've gotten one thing through my comments, it's people want to know about Blackberry, people want to know about Loop Insights, and people want to know about Wellhealth. So today we're going to be going over my time horizons on each position, what I hope they'll do, where I see them going, and what is in store for them in the future. So without further ado, and after you've hit that like and subscribe button down in the bottom, we'll get into those charts. Let's head to them right now. All right, guys, off to the charts. Let's see what we're doing today. First company, Wellhealth. Now, this is a company that I plan on holding for a very long time, and I'll give you a few reasons. They are rapidly expanding. All across Canada, they have a very good balance sheet, and they have been buying clinics, they've been buying security software, they've been buying patient records software, anything that they can do to modernize the healthcare system. This is a huge market in Canada, this is a huge market into the States where Wellhealth is pushing into with their circle position, and they're doing everything right. Li Ka-shing, the billionaire in Hong Kong, has been putting into this company. They're institutional investors in this company. As you can see, it's risen with popularity because people know that it's heading in the right direction, and it has such strong management. Warren Buffett always says, invest in companies that have very strong management. And this company has been working on vertical integration of all its businesses. It's been putting them together properly. It's been showing great growth. It's slowing down a little bit, but over long term, this company is, it's so exciting. It's a stock that it could be explosive in the long term. And it's as you can see, it's slowing down into a channel. And after this growth, of course it's slowing down on the channel. Like after 500% growth, let it pull back a little, let it consolidate, find a nice share price to average in it. I'm buying anywhere under $7. I bought a $3,000 position at about $7.20, and then ever since it ticked lower, I've been buying it. It kind of peaked around $6.84 on the downside, and you just keep buying shares, one share here, one share there, a block of 10. As long as you're comfortable with the long-term ambitions of this company, Wellhealth seems to be very well positioned to take a chunk out of Canada's market, and they're just growing and growing and growing. So I will be keeping Wellhealth in my portfolio for this foreseeable future. It's a long-term play for me. I plan to hold it for 10 to 15 years unless something cataclysmic comes out in their next earnings or in any earnings coming up, because everybody should be reading their earnings reports. I'll be holding. Next, we're moving on to Blackberry stock. Blackberry is up today. We're peaking just today, up 3.17%. I have been holding Blackberry like a dog since all the way back in 2016. I started averaging it at 14, bought on the way up, bought on the way down, even bought all the way down at $5. What can I say about Blackberry? It holds you up, it holds you down. I don't know what to do with it. You can see the very, very big spike here on the Amazon news. We're all excited about the Amazon news. It's jumped 59% since there. Can it hold since there? Can we see that growth continue? It's all gonna hold on to that, the earnings report coming. We need to see growth. Chen needs to deliver on revenue growth. He needs to show QNX is growing. He needs to show Project Ivy is growing. He needs to show every segment of Blackberry. We need to see patent growth. There's the Facebook lawsuit that we have absolutely no idea what's going on. We know we just won the Mobile Iron lawsuit, which is fantastic. They have to pay us back all the court costs, which is absolutely fantastic. But what do we do here? It's you can see it's almost sideways trending down. It's almost in this long, prolonged channel heading down. It's a scary thing to hold. Now, when you get in positions like this where you're holding a stock that's kind of a dog, sometimes it's best to cut your losses. I've seen John Chen turn around companies before. I know he can do it. Blackberry is a legacy company here in Canada. It's strong. I'm gonna hold it. But this is what I'm calling a medium-term hold. I have great expectations for it in the next 5 years, but if for any reason my heart's not fully in it, if your heart's not fully in a stock, if you're not completely happy with holding something, if you're not confident in it, cut your losses, put it into something else, start growing your money somewhere else. You want to feel safe with your investments. Blackberry doesn't make me feel the safest, but I'm not exactly scared of it, so I will ride it up. I will not be adding any more in my position on Blackberry. I have 955 shares. I'll be letting it ride. And with that, let's go to our last stock, the one that everyone's talking about. Let's get into Loop Insights. I have to be honest with you guys, I sold out my entire position. I sold it out at 230, I sold it out at 240, and I sold it out at 260. All my shares, they're gone. They're gone. I don't know if I'm going to be buying back in, but I'm watching it. I'm watching it like a hawk. I see what Fobi's doing. I see the strength it has with the TELUS contracts. I see that it's just partnered with the film industry to do contact tracing. I know it's doing venue tracing with NCAA. There's one thing that I'm worried about with this company, and if you're investing in this company, I'm going to look into the next earnings report. It's their cost of revenue. I have no idea. This company's never shown revenue. I have no idea how much it's costing to pump out these products, to market it to these companies. I don't know the Fobi fee structure and how it's working with TELUS. These are a lot of unknowns with these stocks. And you know what? If you want to ride this stock up, that's completely fine. Go for it. It has, since October, so let's just go from October, nice easy spot, it's up 448% on a company that makes no revenue. It could keep running. It could keep running easily to $3 with the NASDAQ announcement. If I'm getting back in, and I'll be completely honest with you guys, I'll be getting back in at around $1.80, $1.90. If it goes any higher, the odds for correction just go higher with it. If it goes back up here, then you know what? Congratulations to all you longs. Sell it. Or buy more. It's completely up to you with how you believe in this company. But as I see it, as the financial forecaster, and in the portfolio and the portfolios of the people I want to inspire on this channel specifically, this is a spec one, man. This is a hard play. Like, I would be more inclined to tell you to invest in Blackberry. I would be more inclined to tell you to get into Wellhealth. If you want a growth stock that's already proven itself, that's growing its revenues year over year, that's a huge play, and we know management is top tier, I would say Wellhealth. I would say for a great CEO and a legacy company, pick Blackberry. We don't know enough about Matrix to make that call. It's risky. And it could make you a lot of money, but at 226, you're not getting in at 50 cents anymore. You're not getting in at $1 anymore. You're not getting in at $1.50 anymore. There's the upside to a correction. Weigh it yourself. This is a scary rise, a very scary rise. Like, if you want to play it, it's up to you. And with that, I'd like to tell you that I got a new Twitter. It's called Ryan Making Money is the handle. I will have the link in the description. I will be documenting all the trades I make, both buys and sells, and any insights and news articles that I find interesting that have to do with my portfolio or in Canadian and North American business in general. My Wealth Simple referral code will also be in the description. You trade $100, I get $10, you get $10. I'll put it towards the channel, you put it towards your retirement. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. If you have any comments, and if you're a Loop bull, please leave it down below. Tell me I'm wrong. If you're a Blackberry bull or a Wellhealth bull, even if you're a bear, I'd love any of the comments. I've been loving to talk to everyone. Leave them down below, and I'd love to either agree with you, argue with you, or have a discussion with you. So with that, I'd like to sign off. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks very much for joining. Bye.